The Dollar Tree Plus section has really stepped up their game this year. They've got these really beautiful stacking pumpkins and these beautiful pumpkin centerpieces that have sunflowers, mums, pumpkins, and fall leaves, and I think they really look high-end. Another item that's trending very quickly this fall is these woven acorns, the woven mushrooms, and the woven pumpkins. And I'm seeing these in Pottery Barn, Grandin Road, and Anthropology. So these are some items that if you're going on trends, you want to snag these up quick before they sell out. And also, I don't know if this is new this year, but they have these foam crackle pumpkins, and they have them in all different colors. Now let's talk candles. Dollar Tree's bringing back all of their fall candles from last year, and these are all very similar to the ones that you can find in all the high-end stores right now. So grab them before they sell out. They're also bringing back this year the tapestry table runner, and this has many purposes. You can cut them and turn them into pillows or placemats. They also have a variety of tablecloths. Another trend that's back this year is the Sherpa pumpkins, and this is a pretty good sized pumpkin. They also have the tiered tray, and this tiered tray for fall is in the shape of an acorn. Something new this year, and you can tell me if it's new or not, is these pillows. They have the check shape like Mackenzie Childs. They're carrying this year these wood box florals, and they have very trendy looking fall flowers in them. They also carry these ceramic vases that have the beautiful florals in it as well. And bringing these back this year are the sweater pumpkins. I don't think they ever go out of style. They're all so pretty. They also have the beautiful chenille pumpkins and the foam ones in better shapes this year, I think. And they also have the check pumpkins, which I believe are new this year, but you let me know down in the comments if they are or not. They also have this 20-foot lit leaf garland and also the wreaths. And I'm telling you, the wreaths are looking better and better every year. They're not looking on the cheap side anymore. And all of these are in the Dollar Tree Plus section for $5.